chrono stage, 48 hours. So we have to get as far as possible, and then we get a camp, and then the next day tomorrow. So let's have fun. Adventure starts here. Okay guys, we found some big problems on the car. This one is broken, that one is broken. Because also in the front, the spring is broken. This one. We need to work on that part. Yes, 600 meter, and we're in the bivak. Hoppa, lekker. We have to stop. Okay. Nou, de veren doen het niet meer, dus het is een beetje hard als een hobbeltjes. En hij ligt een beetje laag. Er komen nogal wat hobbeltjes tegen. Hier zie je gewoon dat hij gebroken is. Dus die doet helemaal niks. Deze kant zie je zelfs dat alle twee de veren gebroken zijn. Deze veer is gebroken. Maar deze veer die is hier gebroken. Die is helemaal in elkaar gewikkeld. Dus voor is ook de veer afgebroken. Hier hoort hij en daar hoort hij. Dus de auto die veert een beetje raar. Nou, we zijn er dus weer. Lekker hè. Just put the tents up. Now we're having some food. I think food for astronauts. But check out this. I put water, and then together with this basket, it's getting really warm. And I put it all inside. So in 12 minutes, my dinner should be ready. Okay guys, it's 3 o'clock. I cannot sleep. I'm in the middle of 2 snoring people. That is it. I'm gonna move the tent again, because like this I can survive. Maybe now I can sleep. I cannot believe it. Good morning everybody. From there I moved my tent all the way here for the snoring. Start of the second part of the chrono of stage 2. Everything seems repaired. Tim, we had some work to do. You have the confidence that it will be okay now?
I think it will be okay, and we had a good night rest.
Good night rest. Whatever you call a good night. But yeah, we had some sleep here in the sand, in a tent. Watch the snoring. Well, ready for the last part. 360 kilometer. Hoppa! Dat was hard. We kwamen 1 keer even verdwaald. Dat was even jammer. Dat was even jammer. Een half uurtje? Daar hebben we echt gewoon 20 minuten verloren. Ja, half uurtje wel?